Hello everyone, I am Devasis Mishra and today's topic is random forest. Random forest is a supervised machine algorithm that uses multiple decision trees to predict output efficiently. Each tree look at different part of the data and the result is calculated by taking an average by regression or classification. This is the structure of random forest. In this photo, we can see how random forest work. To implement random forest, I import some library files. Firstly, I import Panda. From sklearn.model selection, I import print_split. From sklearn assemble, I import random forest classifier. And from sklearn matrix, I import accuracy score classification report to make seed. We also import the warning and turn it false to prevent any warning from appearance in the screen. We then assign a variable to the data we will need here. The data here contain a table which contain the details of every passenger on the boat. We also print it order to have a clear understanding of structure of the data. Here I take a variable Titanic data and when I print it, this is this is clear that this is the structure of data I used. We further filter the data by removing the rows in the supervised column is empty. Now we separate the column by assigning them into different variables. X store few of them while Y store the supervised. Here in this two line of code we try to map female to 0 and male to 1 because the model understand number and not male or female. You can see we also fill the vacant age place to the median of all the ages. Median is more stable and accurate and is not affected by extreme value. We also split the available data train and training data respectively. Here we have assigned 20% of test size here and set random forest to 42. The random state takes make sure that the same random number are generated in each iteration so that the results are comparable. Here we call the random forest with 100 decision tree. More in the number of tree, more is the accuracy. Next, we train the model using the training data using the fit command. After that, we tell the model based on what you learn, predict where each passenger supervised or non-supervised. And the answer is stored in y predict variable. Now we can calculate the accuracy score where y test represent the real answer and the y predict store the model prediction. We also print the data we get. The next block of code that one passenger from the test data asks the model to predict where the passenger survives and then print everything in a simple readable way. This is all about the random forest. Thank you.